Hello, my name is Miss Lore. This is my history. Mr. Lion's birthday. Once upon a time, a little lion that did live in the jungle. It was very happy because every day animals want to eat. However, he was very sad because his birthday was approaching. Nobody and commented anything but for it. Birthday, the elephant and the zebra organized the surprise parties. The monkey prepared the cake. The giraffe and the tiger will sing. When all was ready, the panther went to cheer of the lion, who was very excited. Everyone did sing the song, the happy birthday. They did dance and they had fun. Suddenly it arrived a big bear that is once invited. The birthday slide of cake frightened to everyday animals, and did say, "This party is for me, okay?" The lion was very sad. In a moment, it did think, "It's the party hour of my life." The bear continues, did again to the monkey, and did started a big dance surprise with other animals for Mr. Lion. In the what is congratulate and imitate in the action. The dance was wonderful. The lion considered the best birthday of my life. Thank you. Bye bye.